What's up, people? I'm gonna show you how to make an jailhouse brick super easy. I'm gonna go step by step. Let's hop right up into this. Alrighty, what you're gonna need is ramen. Ramen noodle of your choice. I'm gonna pick chili this time. I like the taste. I like the spice. You're also gonna need 2 chips of your liking. 3 or 4 you could use, but I use 2. I'm using these hot fries and some Doritos. Cheesy is good. Cheesy is the best because it makes it lock up. That's what you're trying to do. 2 Ziploc baggies. Some very hot water. I put it in the microwave and nuked it. Alright. So what you're going to want to do is take those noodles and crush them as good as you can. Crush them so they're fine as fuck. And yeah. Now take about a serving's worth of the chips and crush them like you did the noodles. You see these chunks right here, this is what you're trying to avoid. Make sure you crush everything into the same consistency, no big chunks allowed. Move the ramen once you get those chunks out into a Ziploc baggie. It's just easier to work with. I like using this as a good rule of thumb. For every packet of ramen you use about a quarter to a half of a seasoning packet. It's up to you. Give her a good shake so everything's nice and incorporated, and make sure you pour your crushed chips into the Ziploc bag that's holding the ramen noodles. Give her a good mix. This is important. Shake it really good. Alright, this is important. Make sure that water's still hot. Like I said, I nuked it. Now what you're gonna do is pour tiny bits of water in at a time. Don't pour in a whole cup. What you're gonna want to do is get it not soaked, but something that resembles this. I'd say about a quarter to a half a cup of water for every packet of ramen you use. But still, you pour that water in slowly, because you can add more but you can't take it out. Once you get it fully incorporated, shape it into a sort of thin and even brick like this. When satisfied, wrap it up in a towel and just let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. I like 10 minutes because I don't like chunks in it. Here's the final result right here, folks. 10 minutes later, I unwrap it, and this is what we got. This is just a basic brick. You can put whatever you want. Here's a list of some things you can put on top. If this video helped you, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. I'm gonna be doing more videos like this. Drop some comments if you've done this before and how it tasted. I appreciate it. Peace.